In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Play Store region for installing country restricted apps on any Android phone. Open the Play Store, tap on your Google profile, go in payment and subscriptions, tap on payment methods, simply scroll down, go in more payment settings, tap on add a payment method, tap on billing address, select the desired country. For example, if you moved Canada, then select Canada from here. Enter your card number, then tap on save. So your Play Store region will be changed. So this is how you can change Play Store region on any Android device. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.